Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you along as I look at all the new Christmas decor that's out at Hobby Lobby. Stay tuned to the end for a haul of what I picked up, but without further ado, let's jump into it.
In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh.
I loved this hot cocoa section because I'm decorating a hot cocoa bar this year in my house. It gave me a lot of ideas.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Here we go. All right.
Dance, dance,
Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance.
we're gonna
Okay.
dance, dance, dance,
Come on.
dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family.
They had tons and tons of ornaments, as you can see. What I love about ornaments is that you can use them as little fillers on tiered trays.
Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
I found these adorable construction truck ornaments that I want to use to decorate a little tree in my son's room since he's obsessed with work trucks. And for my daughter's tree, I thought it'd be so cute to use pastel donuts and desserts that would match her play kitchen perfectly.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any kissing on a mistletoe's baby with you. Ooh,
Hi guys, so I am back from Hobby Lobby and I wanted to show you what all I picked up. Now there was a ton of stuff that I wanted, but I kept it kind of small. I didn't want to go overboard. And it was cute. The lady checking me out said, "Oh, this is the first time I'm using our new Christmas bags." So I thought that was a really cute bag. But I'm going to go ahead and start with what's in here. These are the bigger signs. I only picked up 2. There was a really large one that I would love to get for outside, which I may get later. But this is the first one. I saw this and knew I had to have it. And I definitely want to incorporate more Jesus stuff about the real reason of Christmas in my decor this year. But I just thought that this would be really pretty. It looks very farmhouse with the wood grain behind the writing and the wood frame. And obviously the black letters will go with everything. So I'm thinking I may put this in my living room. The next item I got is this Merry Christmas sign. I thought this sign would be absolutely perfect for above my coffee bar. This is the perfect size. I love the wood frame. I love the shiplap behind it with the black letters. It's just very, very nice. This was $29.99 and it was 40% off of that. And I didn't mention this one. This one is $19.99. So those were pretty good prices, I believe, especially with the 40% off. Real quick, I was going to tell you what I was thinking. So for my coffee bar this year, I'm doing a hot cocoa bar. So I thought that this would be really cute. What I'm planning on doing is putting this on my very top shelf of my coffee bar and then putting this right underneath it. So what do you guys think? Do you think that's cute? I don't know, we'll see. That's just what I was thinking right now, but I do tend to change my mind often when I'm decorating. Next, I picked up 2 more of these stems. I already have a bunch of these from previous years, and they are kind of pricey. Well, $6, $5.99, but they're 40% off of that. But getting a bunch of them can add up pretty quick. So I only picked up 2 for now. I may get more depending on how many I already have. I like to put these outside in my flower boxes. I also like to put them on my TV stand, like together with garland down the sides. So that's what I'm doing this year. I'm going to do the same colors I did last year. Do the browns, greens, like all the Christmas colors with pops of red. So that is what you'll be seeing from me this year. I had to pick this up. How cute is this? It says Farmhouse Christmas. It's got the red writing, and I decorate with a lot of galvanized decor. I have a galvanized tier tray, so I don't know what I'll be using this for. This would even be cute with the little stems. You think that's cute? I don't know. I'm just excited. This was really cute, and it was only $9.99 with 40% off. I got this little countdown. I love to do these with my kids. Right now I have a Halloween one that we love to do, and it just makes them really excited for the actual day. So this says Days Till Christmas, and it comes with this little ornament magnet, and it just sticks right on the day. So I think that is very cute, and it looks very farmhouse-like with the wood, the little house. It's very neutral, so I knew I needed this one. They have tons of different calendar countdowns with the blocks, some of the brighter ones, but I really like this neutral one. Okay, so next I picked up this hot cocoa bar warm up here, and this matches with here. So this is gonna go in on my coffee bar somehow. I just think these look really nice together. It's only $14.99. Next, I saw this little sign with the Ray Dunn inspired font that says Merry. And I was looking to see if they would have a Christmas one with like the same frame and the word Christmas, but they didn't. I did pick this up because we do have a lot of gray in our home, and it's got the red letters. So I thought this could be nice on a tier tray. This was only $9.99 before the percentage off. And next I picked up a few small little signs to put on my coffee bar. on one of my tiered trays, I was thinking. So I think these could be used as ornaments. This was $4.99, but I just thought this would be really cute to hang over a mug, maybe over the top of my tiered tray. It says it's a hot chocolate kind of day. So I knew I could incorporate this into my tiered tray somehow. I also picked up this one that says Snuggle Season, and I thought that would be cute, like leaned up against the cup. And this was also $4.99. This sign was also $4.99. So this one says Cuddle in a Cup. Is that what it says? Yeah, Cuddle in a Cup. How cute is this? So I just thought all of these together looked really good. And there was some more things that I saw on that little cocoa display that I would like to maybe go back and get. But I just want to see what all I have from last year once I do go and get all of that and bring it in the house. So it's going to be a while. Don't worry, I'm not decorating yet, but I do need to go through everything. That way I know what else I need to get from the store. Okay, next are 2 more ornaments that I'm going to use on my tier tray as little fillers. Now you guys know I love to decorate with little gnomes. So how cute is this little guy? He's got the little red printed hat with the little arms. He will look really cute, like propped in a cup or just somewhere on my tier tray. But this was only $3.99 before the % off. And then also I picked up this red truck. I just love the red Christmas trucks. They had a bunch of them at Hobby Lobby. I just thought this one would be really sweet and simple. It was $4.99, and I could add it to any of my tier trays or just stick them up on a shelf. I don't know what I'll do yet, but I love it. It has the little Christmas tree in the back. It's just very festive. Okay, so the last items I picked up, I know I want to decorate my daughter's room really bright and just in all kinds of pinks for Christmas this year, and they have a bunch at Hobby Lobby. I was just like swooning over some of their pink and pastel Christmas decor. But I started with just these little trees here. They're really glittery and sparkly. I thought these would be cute up on a shelf in my daughter's room or up on her kitchen. I decorate and they're very pastel, so that's what I picked up, some pastel trees. I also picked up this little ornament, which is kind of random, but I do love this rainbow look, and I was actually thinking of doing something with this after Christmas. But yeah, I thought this was really sweet, and this was $5.99. These little ornament trees are $12.99, and then this little Christmas tree is $7.99. Alright, so that is everything for my shop with me and haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already so you never miss out on any uploads from me. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful and blessed day.
This is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's